Hello students, we are going to see the subject geography and we are going to take the basic information about this subject. As you are studying this subject for the first time in the standard, and that's why you should know the basic information about it. So students, here this is the earth, okay, and all of you know that how is the shape of the earth, okay. All of you see here, it is like one ball, yes, no students, and on this ball all we are living, means we are not living on the flat land, okay. That though we feel that it is a flat, but it is not a flat, okay. It's one ball, means earth is one ball, and on that all the continents are there, okay, and all the oceans are there. So students, I think all of you know which continents are there, how many continents are there. See, uh, students, there are 7 continents, all of you know this. Which one? North America, here given, see students, North America, South America, Africa, okay, then here Europe, here Asia, okay, Asia, then here is there, it is not shown here, but Antarctica is here, okay, and this side here Australia is there, okay, as the picture of the earth is given at one side, okay, and that's why we can't see the continent Australia here and Antarctica, yes, no students. So students, all of you got this, that earth is one ball, okay. So students, so it is necessary to know how is it, okay, how then we form, or how do we decide the particular place is where, okay, no. So for getting that information, it is needed to know how the particular place is decided. Students, first of all, see here one image is given, that this is the earth, it is shown with the lines, okay, no, vertical and horizontal lines are given, okay. Horizontal means which lines, students? Okay, this is our earth, okay, and for vertical lines means these lines, okay, these lines are called vertical, and horizontal lines, that is, okay, these are the horizontal lines. Now students, see here, are also the vertical and horizontal lines are given, okay. See, this is one line, okay, and related to each more lines are drawn on the earth. Students, see here, these lines are the imaginary lines, okay. These lines are the imaginary lines, means actually there is no any line on the earth, but for our convenience, for understanding us, only the lines are drawn on it, okay, lines are drawn on it, these are the imaginary lines. So the vertical lines are called in geography, that is longitude. What? That is longitude. And then horizontal lines are here, okay, these are the horizontal lines, these are the horizontal lines, and these lines are called latitude, these lines are called latitude. Once again students, see here, as you are studying this geography subject first time in this standard, so the basic, for understanding the basic concepts, you have to take the labor, okay, no. Then if the once the concepts are fit in your mind, then there is no problem in understanding it, okay. Means there are on the earth, there is the net of lines, there is the net of lines, and this net is imaginary. Actually there is on the earth no lines are there, but for deciding the place on the earth, okay, the particular place of the city, to decide that the lines are drawn on the earth. Okay, students. So this way, keep this in mind that vertical lines are called longitudes and the horizontal lines are called latitudes. And students, two more concepts we are going to see here, that is equator. Okay, equator. So what is equator here? So in the horizontal lines, from the center of the earth, the line which goes, that is called equator. Okay, see here students, this line is equator. This line is called as equator, and equator line divides the earth in two parts. Equator line divides the earth in two parts. Okay, this is upper part and this is lower part. Okay, I think students, all of you also know this. That is, this is the north. Yes, no, direction north, and this is the south. Yes, no, students. Means this is the north direction, and this is the south direction. This is the north direction. And students, you see no points here. Okay, here and here. These are called as North Pole. Okay, what? North Pole. And here this is called as South Pole. This is South Pole. Means this is North Pole, this is South Pole. Okay, and this equator line divides the earth into two parts. Okay, students. Now see here, vertical lines are also there. Okay, so the vertical lines which is drawn from the center of the earth is called the prime meridian. Okay, these all are the lines are called as longitudes. Keep this in mind. Okay, these are vertical lines are called as longitudes, and the longitude or the line which is drawn from the center of the earth is called prime meridian. What? Prime meridian. You have to keep these words in mind, students. Prime meridian. Okay, prime meridian. So means from the center of the earth, the vertical line which passes, that is called prime meridian, and the horizontal line which passes through the center of the earth is called equator. Okay, so that's why students, here the lines which are here, that are also called as the meridians. What? Meridians. These lines are called as meridians, and these are called as also parallels. Okay, parallels. Students, first of all, understand these basic concepts. Then after we will study the next part. Okay, students. Students, whatever now I told you now, that is equator, latitude, longitudes. Okay, that all the words you take down in your notebook. Okay, thank you.